Greetings and salutations, it's Cindy Kit from Morning's Knocker. Hi, I'm ducking down here because I want all the focus to be on my friend here, which is A19. She, or he, is a Lithgow Model A, circa 1949. This model, there was only 6,000 ever made. She's the 19th. Which is why I know she was manufactured near the end of 1949. Although she has Pinnock branding, that is just branding. They were primarily made for Pinnock, but they were also produced for Marcus Clark as new centuries. Voila. This is a little bit of an advertising leaflet that I scanned, and I found some paperwork for a New Century branded Lithgow Model A. But yeah, it's a central bobbin. So some would say, oh, isn't that a 15 clone? No. But anyway, central bobbin is any machine that has this style shuttle and bobbin case. This is the shuttle bit, it's the hook. Bobbin case is that bit, and that bit's the bobbin. So not all machines that have this shuttle are a Singer 15. They're not even Singers. Even within Singers, there are a lot of central bobbin machines that were not Singer 15s. But anyway, this is a central bobbin machine. It is in a German style, very similar to some Haid and Nell, however you pronounce it, models. But yeah, I'm not the best machine I've ever had in my life, but a sweet machine. She really only likes going forward. She can go backwards. Technically, she has a feed dog drop, so technically she should be able to do free motion. She just doesn't seem to like it. Possibly a little bit of a fine-tuning of the hook timing might fix that, but I think there might be just innate issues that there are things that she just doesn't like to do. But an interesting bit of Australian history, only 6,000 made. Only machine I can say with 100% certainty was 100% made in Australia. And I think that every one of these that is still in existence should be saved. So if you come across a Lithgow Model A, you'll find a serial number under the bed, starting with the letter A, and I think we should save every one we find. Thank you.